All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, second grade, good morning, second grade. All right, everyone. Great to have you all back with me on this excellent looking Thursday morning. So let's hop right into the agenda and see what we need to get done for today. All right. You found my video right here. Good. We have a morning meeting at 9 o'clock, so please make sure you are there. I'd love to see all those bright smiling faces first thing in the morning. Then we are heading into our morning work. So we're heading into the classwork tab. Oh, and really quick, there is another movie this Friday, so please go in and vote. We will be doing that movie again at 11 o'clock in the morning, 11 o'clock a.m. So go in there, select your movie choice. Morning work today. Let's open it up. Looks like we're going to start off with some time practice. There we go. So go ahead and put the time in on the right side. Remember what goes on the left of the two dots and what goes on the right of the two dots. And please be careful and take your time. Haha. With these ones. Make sure you don't rush them. And then down at the bottom, I have 4 different sentences. And they are either facts, meaning it's a statement which can be proven to be true, or it's an opinion, which is a personal view. So I did the first one for you. Everyone should visit the library once a week. It'd be great if everybody did visit the library, but it's not a fact. That sounds like someone's opinion. So I put an X down for saying that is an opinion. Now for 2, 3, and 4, you need to figure out, is it a fact? Can it be proven to be true? Or is it an opinion, which is a personal view? Number 2, the violin is a stringed instrument. Number 3, pandas are black and white. And number 4, summer is the best time of year. So go through, and you're either going to put an X for fact or an X for opinion for each of the 4 sentences. And I did the first one for you. And lastly, joke of the day. What do you call a cow during an earthquake? No idea. But anyway, when you are done, click the turn in button. Yeah, we don't need to save. All right. After that, we are heading into ELA, and we're going to wrap up compound sentences this week. So we'll head in and check out the Google slide. There are 3 pages today. They should be pretty quick, though. So the first one says, the butterfly saw a spider, and it flew. All right. Not a whole lot of detail in that. I'd like you to rewrite the sentence with more detail. So try to add something in here that makes it a little bit more interesting and maybe a little bit more so it makes sense. You're going to click down here and put in your response. Remember, you're going to have to retype the sentence with more detail. The second slide, I saw a monarch butterfly and I saw a brown moth. Rewrite the sentence in a different order. So we see in this sentence, we talk about a monarch butterfly first and then a brown moth. See if you can flip them. Rewrite the sentence in a different order. Okay, you're going to put your answer down here. And the last one, monarch butterflies fly here from Mexico. Is the sentence a simple or compound sentence? Everyone here should know what a compound sentence is now. So if it's not a compound sentence, it's probably going to be something else. So go ahead and put your best answer in there. And remember, no turn in button here. You have to go back, go to view assignment, and then click the turn in button there. Once you are done with that Google slide, read to self for 30 to 40 minutes, and you can use RazKids if you are out of books. And there's a lot of cool options in RazKids too. And last, you can go on to IXL Language Arts or Lexia for 20 minutes to wrap up ELA reading today. All right. Good, good, good. And if for some reason you didn't finish this ELA assignment about adjectives, please make sure you do that. We really do need that, have that one in. That's an important one. Today's your last day for creative writing. Make sure you are finishing up your creative writing stories. Remember, they could be totally fictional, they could be narrative, it could be whatever you want it to be. Just know that it has to be school appropriate, must have a beginning, middle, and end, must have characters, it must have some sort of problem and resolution to that problem towards the end of the story. And make sure you're just spending 20 minutes on it every day. And if you did finish early, say you finished yesterday, go back in and see if you can add any more details. Okay? Because I'm sure that you can add just a little bit more in. All right. After writing, your special today is Jim. There's a video here for you to view of Mr. Barton. He's going to walk you right through whatever you need to do. After that, lunch and recess. Definitely make sure you get outside. I can't believe how great the weather has been all week long. So please make sure you're getting outside. And then when you're done with lunch, we're coming back in for math. And today is your last day of making a graph. So yesterday in my morning video, right here, that was yesterday's morning video, I explained what to do for this assignment. So if you need to hear that again, go into this video and you can check that out. But I'll quickly tell you, down here at the bottom, you should have already done the Wednesday Google Doc. Today you're doing the Thursday Google Doc. And remember, you're using the survey data to build a graph of your own. Either the favorite season, favorite thing to do during recess, or favorite color. Please do a different graph than yesterday. And as always, I have my example right here for you, which I did with our movie vote for last week. And this includes all the elements of a graph that you need to have. All the labels, the key, the title, and definitely something to show what the votes were and how much they were worth. Okay? So please make sure you're going in and doing that today. Click the turn in button when both graphs are done. I think I have to send it back to you if you turned it in yesterday and you only did one graph, because I don't think it gives you access to the other Google Doc. But anyway, don't worry about it. We'll figure it out. Last thing for today is your science project. Finish up science. Remember, we have all these task cards that you can work on here in the science PDF. Feel free to pick a different task today. I don't think I've seen anyone do this one. How can I design shoes inspired by nature? I'd really like to see what you would come up with for a new shoe from nature. Looking around and getting ideas from outside. So definitely keep doing that. And do not forget to answer all those questions from the second page in here, so I can see your thinking and so I can see your design or model. All right. That's what I got for you today, second grade. It is a very busy day with meetings, so please make sure you're showing up to your meeting and we'll check in. All right. Catch you all in a little bit.